It's gonna be a mouth-watering pot roast. So juicy and so tender. Good. Trying to hold it with the one hand, y'all. Now we transfer it over into this crock pot, back side up. And we're gonna pour this in there, y'all. It's coming right on along. I'm headed back to bed, okay? Here, y'all see that? It's falling apart. Yeah. See there? See it, see it, see it. All right. Okay. I'll still let it go for a little bit longer though, y'all. I'm gonna make my husband some rice and then I'm gonna be done. Y'all, I'm out here going for a walk. I was on my bicycle, riding my bicycle, and it caught a flat tire. So I had to walk my bike home. Me and my husband was headed for a ride. But I caught a flat tire. And so he's fixing my flat tire. I'm walking because I got to get this walk in. That's the key into keeping my blood flowing. Okay? Right now, I ain't trying to do no sprint. I'm trying to be healthy and everything, but I'm not doing no speed walking. I'm just doing what I can do. Out here getting it in. Getting that exercise in, y'all. Lord knows I need it. I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day. Y'all, I'm gonna think, let me see. When that storm, we had the storm that came through, y'all. They tore up some stuff up here. Y'all, that storm, they took the siding up of that house there, y'all. That's the one side. It's on the other side, too. Y'all see that up there? That's that storm. A lot of houses got their siding that came off because of it. Only thing I lost, y'all, was some porch furniture. But I found it around the corner. A lot of people's trees came down, you know, that was in their yard, too. Yeah, we had some people's trash cans in our yard, but we didn't have any damage, thank goodness. I'm out here just walking, just taking it all in, y'all. Getting my exercise on, no doubt. Y'all see some trees came down over there. It's a really nice day out. It is. Y'all see it? My husband did. He found a dead baby bird out there in the yard, y'all, after the storm. Y'all can see back there how them people's trampoline got messed up. That's what the storm did. Okay, y'all, so I was telling y'all about the storm that came through here and tore up some stuff down here. Y'all, look at this. Look at, slow down, will you? Look at that, y'all. OMG. Oh my word. Look, y'all. Trent, slow down.
Beat that house up. I'm coming back this way.
Look at, oh, this is scary up and through here. Baby.
Going too deep.
Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at that. This is a... Look at this, y'all. Just go like you ain't even move. Y'all see that right there? Look at that. Wow. I'm glad these people's houses is okay. Y'all look at that. Just stop. Look, y'all. Okay, go ahead. What? Wait a minute, just stay still. Look. No. Go ahead, roll. That is something. Ain't that something, y'all?
This is an area where the mail carrier walks. Got some damage to it. Structural damage.
That's it at a different angle, y'all.
Like it didn't fall on the house. It crushed it. You see that tree right there? I'm not getting it off from there.
Look at that.
Let me see.
I got it. I got it.
That one right there?
Look at this here, y'all. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at how that came out the ground, y'all. Oh my goodness. Now look at there. Damage. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I couldn't get it there.
I'm about to run into it.
Go ahead. Go ahead, I got it. Look at that, y'all. That is... They out here working on it, but wow. These people suffer some damages over here. And I think y'all, I was in the bathroom, in the bathroom downstairs, cause on the first level, down there, taking cover because I heard something. It seemed like something had hit the house. Baby, I got them candles. I went down the stairs in that not the basement, in that downstairs bathroom. I called my husband at work and said, "Can you come home?" He was like, "You gonna be all right." I had called my son and he was like, "Mama, as hard as you are." And I said, "Yeah, as hard as I am. But one thing I don't play about, baby, is hurricanes, tornadoes, and severe thunderstorms, okay? I don't play with them because there ain't nothing to play with." So let me tell y'all this story about the lady at the hospital was telling me that this 80, did you hear this on the news about the 80-year-old lady? She wanted to watch the storm, so she was sitting in the window. And the storm didn't kill her, but what killed her was something came through that glass and hit her, and the glass killed her. The other day when we had the severe storm. I said, "What in the heaven snapper, huh?" Here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look at all that stuff that came down, y'all. Yeah, said the lady was 80 years old and she wanted to watch the storm, so she was sitting in the window. Whatever came through that window and hit that window, they said it was a glass that killed her. I sure hated, but this neighborhood here took a hit. I don't know how much y'all can see because, you know, we rolling. I'm trying to, you know, there's cars behind us and stuff, but it took a hit. And I'm just glad to see that these trailers that I see, did none of them get blew away, you know.
Blew off the foundation. That's what they do.
You know. Everything is still everything for the most part. Y'all, this area over here is not far from us. I mean, we don't live in the county, but wow. Some of this, what I just saw, I'm telling you, woo-wee. Thank God that we're. Listen here, because the only thing that happened to us, like I said, was my furniture patio blew away, and we had people's trash cans that had blew down in our yard, y'all. That's it, you know. chair got a little bent, but hey, I can still sit in it. Okay. And y'all, the thing about it is I just bought that furniture porch last week. I did. Next time, usually when we have a severe storm and all that stuff can come through, I usually take it off of the porch, but I didn't this time. I didn't. But anyway, y'all, later. Till the next clip. Okay, because of the power outage, they are out of a lot of things, you guys, at my store. So what I came here to get, I guess I'm not going to be able to get, because I came here for shrimp. And I ain't gonna have any. So as you can see, there's nothing in here. So nothing over here. Well, I'll be doggone. I'm gonna have to go somewhere else and get what it is that I was looking for, y'all. Power outage. A lot of stuff missing. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to go ahead on and head somewhere else, you guys. Yep. What's going on, y'all? Listen, when we had that severe storm here a few days ago, I don't know what hit my window. Something hit my window and did this here. So, yeah, I'm not too happy about it, but yeah. Isn't that something, y'all? Just outside, enjoying the day, enjoying this beautiful weather. God has blessed us to see, you know what I'm saying? Just pretty much just chillaxing, y'all. Just enjoying what God has blessed me with.